In the world of private enterprises, some companies don't just follow green practices, they redefine them. Tonight, we honor a company setting new benchmarks in sustainable business operations. The EnviroCare Green Awards 2024 special citation in Private Limited LLP MSME category goes to Deccan Chemicals. Deccan Chemicals isn't just a business, it's pioneer in environmental stewardship. Let's explore their remarkable achievements. Imagine a company that powers its operations with nature's bounty. Deccan Chemicals has achieved just that with 94% of their thermal energy coming from biomass. This bold move prevents a staggering 19,000 tons of CO2 from entering our atmosphere each year. But they don't stop there. In the last fiscal year alone, they generated 7.8 lakh units of electricity, avoiding another 642 tons of CO2 emissions. That's like taking hundreds of cars off the road. Efficiency is their watchword. Over just 3 years, they have slashed their thermal energy consumption by 12% and electrical energy use by 10%. And water? They have reduced their freshwater needs by an impressive 35% in 4 years. Deccan Chemicals doesn't just operate in nature, they nurture it. 34% of their site is Green Haven, home to over 64,000 plants.
Deccan Fine Chemicals' commitment to reducing their carbon footprints is clear. They have achieved a remarkable 45% reduction in specific greenhouse gases emissions over 4 years, and they are not done yet. They plan to source 60% of their electricity from renewable sources by 2026. Water conservation, they have got it covered. 14% of their site is dedicated to rainwater harvesting, meeting 25% of their water needs. But Deccan Chemicals' impact extends beyond their gates. They invest over 3 crore annual in CSR activities focusing on healthcare, education, skill development and community growth. Ladies and gentlemen, Deccan Chemicals isn't just receiving a special citation, they have setting a new gold standard for sustainable business practices. Let's give a resounding applause to our special citation recipient in the private LLP MSME category, Deccan Chemicals, providing that profitability and sustainability can go hand in hand, paving the way for a greener and a more prosperous future for all.